Good day! We have here another product from Plextone, the xMOWi R2 RGB lighting gaming headset. Let's unbox, let's review, let's go! There are two versions of this, the RGB edition and the single light non-RGB version, for which is what I have here. This is in matte black color with orange accent. The box also shows a teardown picture of the R2 headset and inscriptions about its features. And now to unbox it. The package contains the manual. Here is also the 1-year warranty card and this audio patch cord. And of course, the R2 headphones itself, which is housed in a bubble wrap bag. The xMOWi R2 is a 40mm loudspeaker over-ear designed headset. It has a 200mm long omnidirectional microphone that can be flexed or fixed angle. It also has a suspended thickened air cushion to reduce head stress during long usage. It is packed with metal arms with scale for accurate adjustment for maximized wearing comfort. The headset looks bulky, but it is surprisingly lightweight with only 270 grams. Let's have a closer look. The design is very subtle with orange accents, rounded design, and printed brand name in orange. The matte black texture is very good, and there are also polygon engravings for more sophisticated look. The metal arm scale for adjustment. I can feel the rigidity of its material. Orange cloth inside the headset speaker. Nicely balanced cushion around your ear. Another brand name print here. And then the headband cushion, and on the other side, no brand print here, and also same metal arm adjustment. It also have an LNR engraving to avoid confusion when wearing the R2 headset. The attached long omnidirectional mic is here in the left side. The ratcheting adjustment and a very flexible wire adjustment for accurate voice pickup. And also under here is our volume adjuster. For the headset's cable, it is about 2.1 meters in length in this very pleasant braided-like design. It's not actually braided though. And we have here our traditional male headphone jack and a USB-A male connector for our headset's lighting feature. The sound quality of this headset is pretty awesome. Balanced treble, mids and bass. No overpowering. Everything is clear and crisp. Very good for music and of course for gaming. It has a passive noise reduction since it's over ear that helps filter out background noises. And very comfortable to wear. My wife really likes it. Now I'm gonna try to play music, then put my lapel mic near the headset speaker. And hopefully, it picks up the sound so you can hear the headset's sound quality. Now let's test the mic. And since this is a gaming headset, we'll mostly use this during our grind and team clashes to exchange heartwarming messages. Once I click the record, you'll hear the R2's mic. This is the sound of the xMOWi R2 gaming headset. 1, 2, 3, quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. The mic quality is superb. My voice recording is very clear, and this will also be very decent for calls. But it is not perfect, as heard from the popping noises on my recording, for which can be eliminated by using pop filter or adding a foam in the mic. The xMOWi R2 is a very capable headset. The sound quality is good and well balanced for its affordable price. And with its rich clear mic, very good not only for gaming, but also for everyday use. If you are on a budget, I would recommend you this pristine affordable gaming headset. Let us know your thoughts about this video on the comments below. Support our channel by becoming a subscriber. As always, take care and see ya!